Grabe yung ano dito ngayon. Madilim ang panahon. Ito nga pala yung ano, yung ginawa kong ano, ice candy na may bukong flavor. Dilim ngayon dito. Dilim ngayon dito. Ito yung ginawa kong ice buko. Dilim ulang oh. Umuulan-ulan pa. Yung mga mangga ng nanay ko. Lapit ng mahinog yan. Ay, may bulok oh. Bulok. Hindi lumaki. Tingnan mo naman to oh. Grabe. Lalaki. Tutor ko kay Lisa. Ano yung nanay ko? Hey, what are you doing? What?
I'm trying to build
Build what?
a truck. But we already finished this one.
Can you do it? What are you looking at? What are you building? Huh?
What's that?
Which one? This one? Ice candy. You want to try it? Huh? Go try.
Okay.
Just a little bit. It's cold. Go.
Wait.
Yeah. Hurry
I
up.
want to even longer.
Yeah, just a little bit first. If you like it, I'll give you one. You want one? Here, ask mommy. Ask Lola. Do you want to try one? Hey. You want to try one? No? Go ask Lola. Ito yung, ito yung garden ng nanay ko. Yan kasi. May bayabas na oh. Kamutihan. Dito pala sa kabila, may ano dito. May mga tanim na grapes. May anuhan dito, kalabasa. Tinanggal na yung swimming pool dito. May swimming pool dati dyan.